Some quick basics about how to troubleshoot turn in assignments. All my Canvas courses are the same. This one just happens to be my FACS 6th grade that I am recording. Please note, right here it says week of March 30th to April 3rd. This is our first week of required activities, so you need to click here. Once you click here, it has numbered points of information that need to be done in that order. Canvas is set up so that if this is completed, this one will unlock. If this one's completed, this one will unlock to be able to turn in. They need to be done in order. So, to do number 1, you just click right here. Boop. And now it's got some instructions. It says, hey, play this Quizlet. So you click here, it will take you to the website where the flashcards are made. And then take a screenshot or a picture of your highest score, showing that you actually completed that assignment. Depending on the device you have, screenshots are different. For a normal Apple desktop style computer, you can click Shift Command 4, which will give you crosshairs, and then you can select what it is that you want the picture of. If it is a Chromebook, if you click Control and then up on the top above the numbers there is a square with 2 lines to the right. All on that button, if you click that one, it then just takes a picture of your whole browser screen, whatever's showing on your desktop. On a Windows computer, I don't know the shortcut, but you can search through the applications and find the snipping tool, which if you click a new snip, it would allow you to do the exact same process. Once you have done that, or take a picture, you click Submit Assignment. If there's this blue Submit Assignment, you have to submit something before you can go on to the next assignment. So you click that. On a desktop, it shows up like this where it says, hey, how do I want to turn this in? Is it in my Google Drive? For the most part, it's a file upload, so you'd click Choose File. And it's going to prompt you to find your file. Here's the screenshot that I just took. Boop. And now it's sitting here, and I must click this Submit Assignment to officially submit it. If you are using a phone or an iPad, it might just prompt you to look through your camera roll. Depends on the device. Side note, for taking screenshots on iPads, if you hold the power key and the main button at the same time, when you let go, it will take a picture. This assignment has now been turned in. So I'm going to come back here to Home. And back here. So I've completed number 1. Check. Number 2, I need to take my actual test. So you'd come in here, you'd say take the quiz. You'd take the quiz, woo! I'm just going to submit nothing for ease of access here. And now I have submitted this assignment. Once it has been submitted, I am now able to go on to number 3. Number 3 is watch this presentation and fill out the Google Docs assignment. So I'm going to click on this assignment so I can fill it out while I watch the video clip. Here's the video clip. And down here it's going to pop open the Google Doc already. Teacher account is set up different. It should just show up on yours. If it prompts for a login, make sure you sign into your school CSD Docs Google account. You can then watch the video clip. And while you watch the video clip, type in your answers. Once you are done, there will be a blue submit button somewhere. I kind of think here, but I can't see it. It could be up here, but I believe it's somewhere in the region of this Google Doc near the bottom. You have to click Submit Assignment for it to turn in. Okay, If it's not working just in here in the browser, you could open your Google Doc in a different tab and this video clip in a different tab and fill it out. But you still have to come back in here. It will automatically update it in here and you have to click submit to turn it in on Canvas. Once you have done all of the points in this section, done all of them, you've completed what needs to be done for the week, and it will unlock the week after spring break once you have it completed. There's a nutshell for how to use my Canvas page. Hopefully it is helpful to you.